Hey, this is Shay back again, and what I'm about to show you in this video is perhaps something you haven't really seen before. I know you're looking for ways to make money online, and this is exactly what I teach my students. I help them every single day to put together stable online money-making campaigns. And while there are of course many different ways to make money online, there's a good chance you probably haven't heard of making money with clicks. Okay, there's of course people making money with the standard things like generating leads or making sales, but I know for a fact that not many people know about how they can be making money with clicks. And this is exactly some of the stuff that I teach to my students. And I just want to jump into one of the networks right here that I use to make money by generating clicks. So basically what actually happens is I pull traffic from my traffic source, I send it to my own pages, and when people click down on my pages, I get paid. And as you can see, it's just defaulted to today. Today is the 19th of October. It's just showing today. But I just wanted to single this one out just while it's on it. By default, I sent 139 visitors. 68 of those people clicked, which is a 48% click-through rate. And I was getting paid so far today $7.57 per click. And as you can see there, $514.52 has been made so far today. We're about halfway through the day, so I'm certainly expecting that to jump up quite a bit yet. And I just want to bring up, so these graphs actually show something. I'll go back to the start of the month. So I'll just put it on the 1st of October. And I'll see some better graphs here. Alright, so as you can see, this is the revenue here. And I'll go through the table as well. But as you can see, some of the revenue right there, this is the visitors. Okay, so this column, the clicks. Alright, and this is the revenue per click, or RPC, this column. What I'm getting paid per click. And I'll just immediately just scroll down here so you can see the full reports here. As you can see, just cruise through some of the numbers here on the screen. I'm just fitting them in there for you. 400, 400, 600, 300, 300, 650, 400, 389, 350, 420, 500, $708. That was just a couple days ago. 217, and today again 514. And you can see this column right here. Take note of that RPC, revenue per click. Check out these numbers for the clicks. Okay, so it does range a bit, and so it can range down to $3 at times, and I've even had days up and over $10 per click. So, you know, really think about that. Think about how many clicks, you know, you could generate, and then think about getting paid $10 for each of those clicks. So for example, on this, you know, nice day right here, $708, the clicks were actually a little bit lower than some of these other days. So $757 down to almost $1 down. You know, if that was $9 or $10, that's a $1,000 day just there by itself, just for generating 100 clicks. It's insane, and it's actually really cool, and this is exactly what I teach to my students. And it's also exactly why I have decided to show this campaign to you. Someone who is looking to make money online. Maybe you haven't made any money online yet. Maybe you're stuck in a rut and you're trying to get to that next income level. I can help you get there, as I have done for my students already. And if I didn't say already, this is just one of my networks that I use. I have more than 5. Some earn similar numbers to this, very, very close, and some a little bit less. Maybe about half or so what this one will be earning on days like that, and 650 days or so. But, you know, when I add them all together, it makes an incredibly nice amount of money every single day. And maybe you would be happy with just this campaign alone. I'm sure many people would be. and I'm willing to show you what I do with campaigns like this and getting paid with clicks. But I'm only going to have this open for a little while because I'm focusing on working with serious people only. So if you are serious and you want to know the inner workings of a campaign like this, all you have to do is take action right now. Go click the link in the top of the description right now. Look for that, find the description. I've just put a short link right at the top. Just go click that and it'll take you over to my site, which I'm also going to do right now. So just jumping over there. So on my site here, this is exactly what you will see. All you then have to do is enter your email address in right here in the email field. Enter in your best email address there. Then just click the Get Instant Access button here. I'm then going to send you a welcome email with all the information that you need to get you on the right track today. So it's really important. Go check your email address that you just typed in. Go check that email shortly after you click Get Instant Access. Again, if you are serious, go complete those simple steps right now. Go get started. Thanks very much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you really soon.